In this tutorial, we are going to take a tour of climate control in the Josh app. To start, your active thermostats are always displayed and accessible in the Home Intelligence dashboard. To easily adjust the temperature in a particular area, simply tap the microphone icon in the bottom right-hand corner and give a command like, "Set the family room to 68 degrees." In addition to specific temperature adjustments, Josh understands natural commands, like "It's too hot in the bedroom hallway," to make climate control a breeze. Josh also makes proactively controlling your comfort easy with scheduled commands, like turn the first floor fans off at sunset. Next, let's swipe over to the Devices tab and tap into our Thermostats page to check out all of our climate control features. At the top of the thermostat controller, the area's current temperature and humidity is displayed. Simply drag the slider for quick and precise temperature adjustments. Using the bottom buttons, you have the power to set your thermostat's heating or cooling modes, and to control the fan. Make settings adjustments by tapping the gear icon in the top right-hand corner. For example, switch between the temperature being shown in Fahrenheit or Celsius, depending on your preference. Since most thermostats control the temperature across multiple rooms, we're going to move our family room thermostat into the broader great room area. That way, it's accessible in the app and with location-aware voice commands in the family room and kitchen as well. Lastly, climate control can easily be incorporated into personalized scenes, adding an element of comfort when setting the perfect mood. To learn more about personalized scene creation, be sure to watch the Josh App Scenes tutorial. We trust this guide on climate control with Josh was informative and inspiring. Give it a try and stay tuned for more Josh tips to enjoy your home intelligence experience to the fullest.